Anyone here heard about Vinod Kamli? You know Vinod Kamli, right? In his prime time, when Vinod Kamli was playing along with Sachin Tendulkar, they played for the same school, same state, Mumbai. India के लिए भी साथ में खेले. Vinod Kamli was a much talented player than Sachin Tendulkar. But we'll know what happened. What happened to him? Today, Vinod Kamli is struggling to even stand alone. Tendulkar has reached a place where no one else could, because he was more, his attitude towards the game was as for student. Abhi ma'am ne bola, I was talking to her that you have to learn in every phase of your life. Tendulkar even today learns. Let us take a very recent example. Everyone is aware of Rishabh Pant. Brilliant player, can hit sixes at will, fours at wheels. Why doesn't he play for Team India in T20? ऐसे तो प्लेयर चाहिए ना, चौके छक्के मारने वाला. क्यों नहीं खेलता ऋषभ पंत? टेस्ट में देखो, every test team ऋषभ पंत will be the first name. I think he's the vice captain of the test team. T20 में ऐसा धड़ाकेदार प्लेयर क्यों नहीं खेलता है इंडिया के लिए? Attitude. You have to respect the game that you play. You have to have a positive attitude. You have to have attitude of a student. Recent case, Sanju Samson. Everyone know what he did 2 days back. He was waiting in the wings, not playing for 100 games. He's been on the bench for 100 games, but his attitude remained the same. He scored a match-winning 97. Another example, probably most of you will not know Rahul Dravid. You know Rahul Dravid, right? Rahul Dravid, was he the best wicket keeper that India ever had? Why did he keep wickets? He kept wickets because he had an attitude that I will do anything and everything for my team. That is why if I keep wicket, one extra bowler can play. चलेगा, टीम के लिए अच्छा है ना, मैं विकेट कीपिंग कर लूंगा. Attitude. This is the attitude. ऐसे लोग हायर करते हैं. What do you think? आप जब यहाँ से पढ़ के जाओगे, you get 98% in your MBA. Is it 100% can anyone guarantee that you will get a job at your desired place? They still have Viva, right? They still have interviews. Why? अगर सिर्फ टैलेंट में अगर कोई हायर कर लेता था तो 97, 98 मिल गए भाई, नौकरी लग गई. But still, there are people who have beaten 97 वालों at 82, 83%. They have beaten people and got the jobs. Why? Because attitude. When we hire, we look at the attitude of the people. Your marks definitely gets the CV on the table, but it is again compared with others in terms of attitude that you bring to the company.